So, America is turning 250, and somebody said, you know what this historic moment needs? A t shirt. Meet the America 250 shirt, the patriotic tee for people who want to celebrate 1776 to 2026 without dressing like a full marching band. The official America 250 store sells short sleeve tees, polos, hats, and other anniversary gear, with the men's official tee listed as made in the USA from 100% cotton. On paper, it keeps things simple: soft cotton, shoulder to shoulder taping, satin sleeves, and a clean official logo. Translation: this is not luxury fashion. It is not a superhero costume, it is a birthday shirt for a 250-year-old country. One official store review liked the design and print quality, but said the shirt itself felt very thin, so freedom may ring, but the fabric might whisper. Now, customer feedback gets spicy. Trustpilot reviews for America 250 supply show some buyers praising the soft material and nice design, but others complain about sizing and value, especially on pricier items like polos. Basically, ordering this shirt may require checking the size chart like you are reading the Declaration of Independence with a magnifying glass. Amazon also has America 250 shirts, including listings described as official USA 250th anniversary merchandise. But here is the catch: America 250 shirt is now a whole jungle of eagles, flags, fonts, slogans, and third party sellers yelling freedom at different volumes. Reddit users have even asked how to find legit, official, or made in USA apparel after scam concerns. Final verdict: the America 250 shirt is a solid buy if you want a simple patriotic tee for July 4th, parades, cookouts, family photos, or standing near fireworks pretending you are brave. Just buy from a trusted seller, check sizing, and do not expect thick, premium fabric. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.